I'm just checking you can see. Right, Raymond did finally take the back off for me. So I've glued it on, that's all I've done. I've just glued it onto the back here. And now I'm going to use in some nice trim. Okay, so I'm going to come up, start at the bottom section. Now I've got this gorgeous stretch trim. It is beautiful. So I'm going to just tuck it under like that and then start by stitching in the middle. And you see, I'm just going to pin that down and then work around the frame. I'll take that in. Now underneath here, see this bit here, that's sticking out, we just cut that bit off. That's it, because I don't want it sticking out. And I can just put a little dot of glue just there to pin those two together. And a little dot of glue to pin those two together. But that's fine. I'm quite content with that. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. Now I could take that off and just use it as a brooch. And I'd just trim around it, seal it off and use it as a brooch. But I'm not going to do that, because I'm actually going to do it again. Only bring it further out, because I want a double layer. Although it looks like it's a double layered trim. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just tuck this underneath, bring my needle up where I need it to be, and follow that around again. Okay, so like I say, we'll bring that up about 1 centimetre away from the last one, and then do a stitch like that down the middle, and then you take it back 1 centimetre away. Like that. I might need to be able to cut that off now. I think I can. A little bit too much. Yeah, that's it. So what you have to do now is just to make sure that the first layer, you see this layer there, is free. Like that. And that is just gorgeous. Isn't it? Yeah. Nice. Like that. Okay. I've not finished because I think I want to do one more layer of something. Right, so now what I'm going to do is to add some of this trim. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to cut these in these little scallops. So we're going to 1, 2, 3 and put them in individually. So that's where I came up, so I'm going to have to go back through just there. Like that. So you just loop it in like that. Yeah. Not sure. I think I could do with one more in here. Yeah, I'm going to put one more in there. Just because it doesn't look so full. That's it. Yeah, I think that's enough. So now what I'm going to do is just to cast this off. Take this off here. Okay, and then I'm going to sort this out. Now what I'm going to do with that is to glue that little bit down. Then it won't pull out. And the knot as well. Now what I've got to do is to cut around this. But I need to leave enough to turn in, sort of thing. So I'm going to do it this way. Just kind of like gauge it. Like that. Just move that little needle. I'm a bugger for losing needles. Okay, so we've got that. Now what I'm going to do is just to snip. Sorry, I'm just snipping these in. Right, and then I'm going to do a little bit of card. I've got some here. And I'm just going to cut like an oval. Doesn't have to be perfect. So that's just to stand in there like that, right? And then what I'm going to do is just to coat the back using these. So that's nice and neat and out the way. And then take my pin back, which I'm going to use a pretty large one. And then just snip away. Okay, and then add, so that's the top, that's the top. So we just have to fit this on, like that. And I'm not sure if that's going to be just right or that. Yeah. I think we've got that about right there. And that is my beautiful vintage brooch. Isn't that lovely? Love it. Yeah, that's it. Isn't that gorgeous? So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.